Hey, what's up? It's Phil from Easy Tutorials, so welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to export the highest quality video from your Capcut PC. First of all, if you have some screen recordings, make sure they are high quality, otherwise it doesn't make any sense. So to do that, go to export on the top right corner, this teal button. Over here you can see the video exporting, so make sure to keep the resolution super high, bitrate to be higher, codec keep it as it is, format to be MP4, and frame rate to be 60 frames per second. Over here you can see that my project is 30 frames per second, so this 60 frames per second doesn't make any sense, but if you have 60 frames per second, this will be just fine. And just click export and you got it. Very easy, very straightforward to do. If you like this video, drop some comments and likes below. I have also another video about the Capcut, so you can check it out in the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.